Hey folks, it's Mr. Max again. I'm here to show you guys that bumper for that Kia. Okay, so here it is. It's painted. I just painted that about 45 minutes ago. So alright. So the areas that I repaired were over here and this area also. So it's done. So I'm gonna put this one together tomorrow and have the customer pick that up. Okay, so that's it. So another one down. I have a couple more to go. Okay, all right folks, so press the notification button, subscribe, the I like button, and any comments I'll respond to. Take care. See you for the next one. All right, folks, that's that Kia rear bumper. That was repaired a couple days ago, so it's finished now. Okay, so that's done. I have to do some little buff on it, get rid of some dust, but that's it. All right, see you all for the next one.